In this video, we'll have a look at marker emitters. Now, if you look at the theme file, there are three types of nodes. On the top, we have the marker nodes, and as we have seen in the previous video, a marker node is invoked for every marker that is encountered in the scene. And then we have the visual nodes. If you drag and drop any prefab from the scene onto the theme graph, it would turn into a visual node. So this could be a mesh, a sprite, a particle system, a light, or any other object that needs to be spawned onto the scene. And then the third type is a marker emitter node. So as the name suggests, if this node is executed, it would emit a marker of that name. So in this example, let me first remove this, and whenever I have insert this mesh node in the middle has a window in it, and it is inserted 25% of the time because the probability is 0.25. But if we ever insert this mesh onto the scene, then we would like to decorate this mesh with some other things. So what we do is we create another marker and we name it window. It could be anything, and then we attach I have attached a curtain and a small flower pot, and then whenever this mesh is inserted, I also emit a window node. So let me delete this, and when I drag a link out of it, I can emit any of the existing markers that are on the scene. So since I have a window, I will see an entry for that here as well. And when that happens, so whenever this mesh is inserted into the scene, it would also insert a marker named window, and then the theming engine would go and look under window and insert everything, execute everything defined beneath it. So this is how you insert curtains, only when this mesh is inserted. Similarly, we have and other times we would insert, if this mesh is not inserted, it would come and fall back into this mesh. And if this is the case, we would like to decorate that wall with something else, like this painting or this large tree here. So to do that, I have created another marker named wall deco. So you find it here. You can also quickly jump to the marker from this list. So this decorates the wall with stuff. So here we have this painting. So it is inserted 25% of the time, and if it is inserted, then the execution would stop because we don't want to decorate the same wall with multiple objects, just one. So that's why I have checked this. So this also makes sure that this painting mesh would not be inserted where there is a window. It inserts it only on the mesh where you have a solid wall. So this gives you a very powerful way of creating a hierarchy in your graph. And with a very simple interface like this, you can create some very powerful themes for your levels. And this is a basic example. As we go forward, I'll be introducing you to some more advanced concepts.